Now I'll take up one question, right? And the question is there on the slide. You can read the question, take your time. If you want, you can pause the video, try to solve it yourself, and then compare your solution with mine. Okay, with what I show you. So we have a question here. From the following information, prepare a comparative income statement. 2015-16, this is your current year. 2014-15, this is your previous year. So here we go. This column shows the particulars as given in the questions. This has been arranged as per the format given, right? This column is for the current year and this column is for the previous year amount. So I put the amount as per the questions given to you, right? So we go like this. We'll write down books of whatever mentioned, right? What are we preparing? We are preparing comparative income statement for the year ended 2015-16 and 2014-15. Okay, I think you have understood this part. This is from the question. This part is also from the question. This part, whatever is given here, 1, 2, 3, 4. These items are already given in the question, right? And I placed it. So now let's see. This is 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs. This is other income. This is also other income. So you have to take the total. Take the total of both of these are income. So you take the total of this. So here you get 4 lakhs 10,000. And here you get 4 lakhs 20,000. Okay, and this is called total revenue, and I put this as A. Similarly, the cost of material consumed 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs. Employees, benefits, finance cost, depreciation, so on as given in the question, 70,000 and 1 lakh. So the total comes out to be 2 lakhs 70,000, and here it is 4 lakhs. Okay, then again here I'll take the total expenses. So this is your total expenses. Now you got to find out profit before tax. Profit before tax, how are we going to find? This is your A minus B. Profit before tax is A minus B. This is your A and this total expenses is your B. So 4 lakhs 10,000 minus 2 lakhs 70,000 will give you 1 lakh. This is 1 lakh 40,000. Similarly, 5 lakhs 20,000 minus 4 lakhs will give you 1 lakh 20,000. 1 lakh 20,000. Now income tax as given in the question, that is 70,000 and 60,000. This is already given. So we subtract this one. This is less income tax. We subtract it. So this is your 70,000 and this is your 60,000, and this is the end here in the first 3 columns. So what you get is the profit after tax. Now these columns, as you remember, I think you remember, we got to make 2 more columns here. These are the columns for any idea? These are the columns for absolute change, and this is your percentage change. Absolute change and percentage change. Now let's find absolute change. How do you find? Current year minus previous year. This is your current year and this is your previous year. So the change is on the negative side or on the positive side? It's negative because the amount is decreasing. So negative means your minus 1 lakh. Okay. And then we find the percentage change. How do we find? We have the formula. Okay. How do we do it? Previous year change is 1 lakh and previous year value is 5 lakhs. So absolute change is 1 lakh, previous year value is 5 lakhs, multiplied by 100 will give you, I think, 20%, right? So this is your then 20%. So here you have 20%. So 20% will be written as 2.00. Okay, no percentage sign and in the bracket, right? Similarly, other income. Again, what is the change? 10,000 and 20,000. Again, what do we find? Decrease. So decrease by how much? 10,000. We put this 10,000. What is the percentage change? How do you find again? Absolute figure, that is 10,000 divided by 20,000 will give you like 10,000 divided by 20,000 into 100, 0, 0, 0, 0, and so this will give you 50. So this is so this gives you 50%, right? Then similarly, cost of material consumed, again in the same thing. Again, this is on the decrease side, so everything is decreasing here. It is on the decrease side, so decrease by 1 lakh, decrease by 1 lakh. Okay, now we find out the percentage. How do we find the percentage? 1 lakh divided by 3 lakhs into 100. So that will give you 33.33%. 0.33%. So we write like this negative. I forgot to do this one also. This also you have to find out. Now here also there is a decrease. So 1 lakh 10,000. Again we'll find out the absolute change. So that's 21.15. Similarly for this depreciation also there is 30,000. Decrease figure. So percentage, I think it will give you 30%, 30.00. How did you get? 1 lakh, sorry, 30,000 divided by 1 lakh into 100. What is the change here? I think here the change is 1 lakh 30,000. When you divide, you will get 32.50. Similarly, what is the change here? Okay, here we see there is increase in the value by 10,000, 20,000. 1 lakh 40 and 1 lakh 20 will give you 20,000 positive change. Now, how do you find the percentage? 20,000 divided by previous year 1 lakh 20,000 into 100 will give you 16.67%. Here, what is the change? Increase by 10,000. Again, 10,000 divided by 60 into 100, 67. Similarly, this one 70 and 60,000. You have, what is the change? Again, positive change of 10,000. When you find the percentage, 16.67. Right? When we find the percentage, that's it. change 10,000, absolute figure 10,000, previous year is 60,000 into 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancelled. 1, 2, 1, 2. So you have 100 by 6. 100 by 6. So when you divide, you will get 16.67. Okay. So this is the end, and we draw a line at the end. Okay. So this is the end of the sums here. I think in order not to confuse you, I think let's remove the brackets here. Should not put the bracket, okay? We'll just remove the brackets here. So this is what we have.